Yes, Matt Vick with SonomaStrongHauling.com. Here's a little flashback of one of the biggest jobs we had in 2018. Tell me what you guys think. Just pulled up to a job out here in Cloverdale. Check it out. This job's pretty big job. Whole lot of stuff left behind from the tenants. They called me up, said they need to get it done, so that's what we're gonna do. This is a backyard, so you guys can see. Let me walk you upstairs real quick and show you how bad this is. Sorry, babe. Oh yeah, nice. What county are we in? We ain't in Sonoma County, are we? Oh wow. We'll get it done. Yes, we will get it done. Oh, they got a Posturepedic though. Nice. Before and after video, McCray. Here we are, guys. Check it out. Remember how it was before? Leave a comment. Yeah, it was pretty bad before. All the way back there. Look how it is. All cleaned up. Chemicals are stained. Let's check it upstairs. Check it out. This place is full with stuff. Remember how bad it was? Pulled all the carpet out too. Carpet was just layered. Layers and layers. This place was just nasty. Got it all cleaned out.